Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how you can simply dropship on Amazon from AliExpress. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So the first and foremost step is to understand the basics of dropshipping. What is dropshipping and what kind of act is done. So once you have done this, you need to now set up your account. So you need to first research and identify profitable niches and products that you want to dropship. After you have done this, you need to find that particular suitable products on AliExpress. After you have found them, you need to now calculate your profit margins, how much you're going to earn, or what can be your margin and stuff. After you have done this as well, you need to now create optimized product listing on Amazon. Once this step is also completed, now simply manage orders and shipping. After this, you need to monitor and optimize your dropshipping business. And wrapping up, this will help you dropship on Amazon from AliExpress. I hope you found this video helpful. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.